In this video, how to disable on-screen battery meter when tap any key when powered off on Lenovo laptops. This is a default feature on some Lenovo laptop models. However, you can disable this feature by following these steps. First, we need to access the BIOS setup page. Here's a list of common BIOS keys for Lenovo laptop models. Right after turn on or restart your computer, press the designated BIOS key repeatedly until you enter BIOS setup or boot menu. In the BIOS setup page, navigate to the Configuration tab. Move the highlight to the one-key battery option, then disable it. As you can see, when this option is enabled, when powered off, connecting AC adapter or tapping and key will trigger showing battery and AC information. You can either press F10 key or go to the Exit tab to save the changes and restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.